Good morning, students of class 8. In this period of geometry, exercise 13b is continue and we are going to solve question number 5. The question says, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find the angles of the quadrilateral. Solution, let the angles of the quadrilateral be 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. We know the sum of all interior angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, implies that 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x equal to 360 degree. 3 4 7 5 12 6 18x equal to 360 degree. Therefore x equal to 20 degree. X equal to 20 degree. The angles of the quadrilateral 3x equal to 3 into 20 degree, 60 degree. Second is 4x, 4 into 20 degree equal to 80 degree. Third is 5x, 5 into 20 degree equal to 100 degree. And the last is 6x, 6 into 20 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. So these 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree are the angles of the quadrilateral. Question number 6. In this figure, find the value of A. This is also a quadrilateral. Three angles are given. Those are 95 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. We are asked to find out the value of A. We can write the sum of all interior angles of the quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Implies that those four angles are 95 degree plus 60 degree plus 80 degree plus A equal to 360 degree. Implies that 140 plus 95, 235 degree plus A equal to 360 degree. This 235 degree is the sum of these three angles. 80 plus 60, 140, 140 plus 95, 235. Therefore A equal to 360 degree minus 235 degree is equal to 1055, 532, 321, 125 degree. The value of A. In this given figure, find the measure of B. For that also we write the sum of all interior angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, implies that 80 plus 30 plus 35 degree plus B equal to 360 degree, implies that 5, 3, 3, 6, 8, 14, 145 degree plus B equal to 360 degree. Therefore, B equal to 360 degree minus 145 degree. 10, 5, 5, 5, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2 equal to 215 degree. This is the value of B. In question number 8, in the given figure, find the measure of angle C. Here is 90 degree. So this side will also be 90 degree, means perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to this line. This side is 90 degree. So this side will also be 90 degree. So we can write the same thing, the sum of all interior angles of the quadrilateral equal to 360 degree, implies that 80 degree plus 70 degree plus 90 degree plus C equal to 360 degree. This became 80 plus 70, 150, 150 plus 90, 240, 240 degree plus C equal to 360 degree. Therefore, C equal to 360 degree minus 240 degree equal to 120 degree. This became the value of C. In this given figure, we are asked to find out angle 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more question, find the sum of angle 1, 2, 3. So for that we write the solution. The exterior angle, short form of exterior EXT, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Here exterior angle is 2, that is equal to interior opposite angle is 80 degree plus 60 degree equal to 140 degree. So 4 equal to 2 plus 4, 180 degree, because this is a straight angle. So 4 equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree equal to 40 degree. 1 equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree, because 1 plus 80 degree is straight angle 180 degree. So 1 equal to 180 minus 80. Now 3 equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. So we have the angles 1 equal to 100 degree, 2 equal to 140 degree, 3 equal to 120 degree, and 4 equal to 40 degree. Now the second part, is the sum of 1, 2, 3. The sum of 1, 2 and 3 is equal to 100 degree plus 140 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 260 plus 100, 360 degree. In this question number 10, this is the figure. In the given figure, find the measures of x and y. For that we write the formula. We know the exterior angle, EXT short form, the exterior angle of a regular polygon of n sides is equal to 360 degree by n. This is the formula we have studied before solving the exercise of 13a, where n is the number of sides and this is the regular polygon because all the sides and all the angles are equal. So on the basis of this formula we can say 360 degree by 6, number of sides are 6. This became 60 degree. This is the exterior angle and exterior angle of this regular polygon is y. So we can write y equal to 60 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. These two are making one straight angle 180 degree. X plus y equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus y, while the value of y is 60 degree. So x equal to 180 minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. So x equal to 120 degree and y equal to 60 degree. These two are the answers. In this question number 11, in the given figure, find the value of x, y and z. In triangle ACD, we can find out the value of angle BCD. In triangle BCD, we can find out the angle BCD. Angle BCD equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Because these two are, if you add these two will make one straight angle that is equal to 180 degree. So this much equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. In bracket we can write a straight angle. So this became 70 degree. This angle became, a BCD became 70 degree. So we know the sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree implies that 30 degree, this angle we have got 70 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, 100 plus x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. In triangle ABD, y equal to 180 degree minus x plus 50 degree, or for more clarification we can write y plus x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. In bracket we write straight angle. Implies that The value of x we have got, that is 80 degree plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree, implies that y plus 130 degree equal to 180 degree. Come to this part. So y equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. Now z is left. In triangle ABD, again the sum of angles of a triangle, the sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. For that we can say y plus z plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. The value of y we have 50 degree plus z plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Z plus 130 degree, 80 plus 50, 130 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore z equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. So these three values, x equal to 80 degree, y equal to 50 degree, z equal to 50 degree. These three are the answers. In this question number 12, the angle bisectors of angle D and C intersect at O as shown in the figure. Angle A equal to 75 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree. Find the measure of angle DOC. This angle is asked to find, angle DOC. So we know the sum of quadrilateral angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. We can say angle ADC plus angle BCD plus 75 degree plus 60 degree equal to 360 degree. Angle ADC plus angle BCD plus 135 degree equal to 360 degree, implies that angle ADC plus angle BCD equal to 360 degree minus 135 degree, implies that angle ADC plus angle BCD equal to 1055, 532, 312, 225 degree. And we are asked to find out this angle DOC. Now we can say, if we divide both sides by half, half of angle ADC plus angle BCD, that is equal to 225 degree by 2. We divided both sides by 2. So half of ADC and half of BCD, this is sum of this. We can write angle ODC, half of ADC is ODC, because this is the bisector. OD is the bisector, OC is also bisector. So these two angles are equal. Similarly, these two angles are also equal because OD and OC are bisectors of these two angles. So half of ADC will be ODC and half of BCD will be OCD. So half of ADC we can write ODC and half of BCD we can write angle OCD. This much equal to 225 degree by 2. Now in triangle COD we know the sum of interior angles of the triangle equal to 180 degree. So angle ODC plus angle OCD plus angle COD equal to 180 degree. These two sum we have, that is 225 by 2. So at these two places we can write 225 degree by 2 plus angle COD equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle COD equal to 180 degree minus 225 degree by 2 equal to 360 degree minus 225 degree equal to 10, 5, 5, 5 to 3 and 3 to 1, this much by 2. So this became 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 67 and 1 by 2 degree. So angle O equal to 67 and 1 by 2 degree. This became the answer.